Hello everyone. Today we are going to look into how you can automate workflows for your YouTube automation using Trello. Trello is an amazing tool for project management and automation. It is easy to use and has a very simple user interface, which allows its user and his team member connect seamlessly over projects and tasks and other work. Without any further ado, let's get into now. First, go to Trello.com. If you already have an account, then log into it. And if not, then create a new one. Now, you will be able to see the Trello dashboard. The Trello dashboard is very simplified. Before going into how to use it, I will show you how to add and invite people to the workspace. Simply click on Members on the left side. And here you can currently, I have 2 boards in my workspace. If you want to send invite link to someone, simply click on invite link and the link will get copied automatically. Now send it. But if you want to invite someone specific to a board, you just click on invite workspace members and enter the Trello registered email of that person. Now let's go back to the board section. Here are my 2 boards. You can create boards by 2 ways, either from scratch or you can choose a template according to your needs. Firstly, I will show how you can create one from templates. Let's check out the project management template. This is the template. You can see different types of ready-made lists and cards, colorful labels, and small pictures of assignee. This is what a full automated workflow looks like. Let's just use this template as our new board. Just click on Create Board from Template on top. Add the title of your board to YT. Now, wait a bit. Here is your board with our title. We can use this as per our needs. But before that, let's understand the basics of Trello boards. Let's just go and create a board from scratch for better understanding. Go to Boards and click on Create a new board. Choose board theme and background and add board title. Here is your empty board. From here, you can control the whole board. These are called lists. These are called cards. You can add as many cards and lists as possible. Let's add a card. Type the name and add. Now click on Add another list. Name it and it will show up there. You can easily drag and drop any list and rearrange them. Let's just make a card with title Top 10 Isekai Anime of All Time. Save it. Click on Paint Mark on card. You can customize it from here. Let's go into the task. Here you will see this big block of description where you can add instructions, paragraphs, SOPs, and the intro part. You can also add bullet points here. This is comment section. You can add some short information here. You can add attachment here, like photos or videos from your computer, like this. You can also add links here. You can add members here by searching their name from your workspace. You can add a checklist here, like this. And as tasks get completed, this progress bar will fill up like this. You can add dates and reminder here. I made August 30 my due date and change my reminder time from 1 day to 2 days. Now, Trello will remind us of this due date. You can add some attachments, either just paste the link or add a display title here. Or you can also choose a file from your computer, like this. You can add label or different colors. This makes the board more fun and inclusive. You can add labels like this. You can write text on labels, which makes task accountability easy. You can also create new color labels. You can add magic to your board. You can add magic to your board. Just click on power-ups. Power-ups provide additional functionality to the Trello board and allows easy access to professional tools like Google Drive, Jira, Slack, Gmail, and much more. You can also check out power-ups according to your work category, which is present on the left side. Like for automation, we can see these power-ups. Power-ups are basically integration of tools through API, which can upgrade your productivity. You can use these simple features. After completion, just drag it to done. Trello has some automation options that you can add to your board. With them, you can create your own card buttons. Moving forward, you can add someone specifically to this board. Just click on share and add his or her email, and that's it. Now, let's check out the template that we made in the beginning. Now, I think you can understand how you can add all the small details which can help your team collaborate easily or seamlessly. But before that, you must make a mind map of what you need for your YouTube automation. And now you can easily make that possible, either with templates or just create a new one from scratch and just instruct your team to follow it, or just make a SOP or board guide, which will smooth and make it seamless your YouTube automation. That's all from my side. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.